In this video, I do want to have a look at Pepe because Pepe right now is crashing like crazy. Well, I don't want to really exaggerate. It's not really crashing like crazy. It just looks like in the chart it's crashing like crazy, but we're only down 13%. Now, we've seen altcoins, shitcoins, meme coins come down 40, 50, 70, 80, even 90%. So obviously Pepe right here, since the all-time high, it is down significantly. I mean, you can see right here, if I take it, I don't even want to know if I want to take it all the way from the peak, but if I just take it from the all-time high, we can see we're down 70%. And assuming I drag this all the way up to the peak, I mean, Pepe is down 83% since ATH. And the big question is, how high can Pepe go? Where are we going? What is the potential price target? And of course, can you guys look into another meme coin such as Meme Combat? I mean, they just raised $232,000, but this is a meme coin for another video. So of course, if you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on for more daily updates. So having a look at Pepe before we dive into a technical analysis, we can see that the market cap is sitting at $310 million. The volume is $64 million. The full dilution is 310 million market cap. So pretty much the same thing, because the circling supply is essentially the max supply. So this is pretty much easy math. Currently traded at 73.6621. Okay, so diving in back into the into trading view, we know the volume is looking good. We know that it's well still alive. People are bullish. People, doesn't matter. Let's have a look right here at what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. Then we're going to go to daily and 480. So first of all, we can see that we were in a nice, beautiful uptrend. Okay, now the first thing we want to have a look at is the RSI. The RSI is probably one of the most important thing. It tells you if something is oversold, overbought. It really gives the strength of an asset essentially. Now, it's not an indicator you should solely rely on, but it does give you the strength. So we can see right here when we were overbought, right here on September 23rd, 2023, guess what happened? We had a nice little pullback. Okay, now obviously the pullback, maybe it wasn't as big, but it was obviously still a 10% pullback. And right here we are seeing a 13% pullback, so it's not that big of a difference, by the way. Guess what happened afterwards? Well, Pepe continued to pump. Boom, exploded right here, 22%. Guess what happened when we were overbought? Right here on the RSI, we know anytime we are below 70 on the RSI, we're overbought. Anytime we're below 30 on the RSI, we are oversold. What does this mean exactly? Well, investors are going to be looking to essentially buy at the oversold region, and they're going to looking to sell at their overbought region above 70. So that's what's happening right now. And of course, guys, we went up, boom, became oversold right here one more time. I mean, overbought, and then guess what happened? Boom, crash down. So the crash is not that bad, guys. We know that after every crash or every pullback, we usually have a massive run to the upside. Okay, so I'm not going to be surprised if Pepe does something like this, goes up to 0.00001, okay, which would be roughly, I believe, a 30% bump. Yeah, it would be a 34% pump from here. So that's that on the daily. If we have a look at on the day, was the 4-hour, we can see that we did have a nice little pump. I mean, all the way from 0.06 to right here was a 40% pump. Obviously, people are going to take profit on that. There's no doubt. 40%, assuming you put $10,000, you make 4K. For a lot of people, that's a lot of money. For some, it's not. So obviously, that's why people will be taking profit overall. Now, guys, if we have a look on the weekly time frame, I do want to have a look at this downtrend level. Okay, did Pepe just break down a crazy downtrend level? Can this be the start of a massive parabolic run? I mean, guys, we have been in this downtrend right here since July 10, 2023. So we successfully broke out of this resistance or the trend line. And keep in mind, guys, that there's still 5 days, 14 hours left before this candle closes. So there's essentially a lot of time before this thing can pretty much pump to the upside. So even though we started the week in a bad note, we're almost the middle of the week right here. Even though we did that, I wouldn't be surprised if Pepe closed the weekly candle above or even in green and pretty much exploded. So we're gonna have to see what happens. This is a pretty important resistance level right here. This was a support that flipped resistance. We're gonna have to see if Pepe can pretty much explode past that. If we do explode past that, we should see a nice little move to 0.000016143, and pretty much that's about it. So that is my quick video, guys, on Pepe. The volume is looking good. It seems like people are taking action, people are trading, people are interested, and at the end of the day, when we're seeing something pump, we do want to see high end volume. So that is my video. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.